Hello and welcome back to the Green Workbench. We have gotten to the point in life where the bedroom becomes my office. So the first order of business, which is already done, was to install recessed lighting. And I still have to patch the hole for the old light. You can see there. I had to run new wiring too because it's all old, unsafe wiring. The next phase is going to be on this wall, which is the wall the desk will be up against, is to create a cedar feature wall. So in order to do that, I'm going to take these 1x2s, screw them to the wall on all of the studs, and then the cedar planks will go on top of these. So instead of trying to glue and put it directly on the drywall, they will be kept off the drywall by these 1x2s. So that's just a matter of finding the studs and screwing them in all the way across the wall. Alright, I've got the 1x2s referring strips up on the wall. Next, I'm going to add an outlet. So as you see the outlet down there, I'm going to bring wire from that up. So there's one actually at desk level or just above the desk level. Make it easier to plug things in without having to go under the desk. So I want to get that done before I put on the cedar planking on these furring strips. Alright, the wall is done. The longest part was planing these boards because they were old fence pickets, so they're in bad shape. So it took hours to do that. But then I just, with the nail gun, nailed them on, cut them so they landed halfway between those 1x's, nailed them and went all the way down. Don't mind the mess of the desk, it's still being worked on. But there's that wall. I was actually short a couple boards, and it's under the desk. So I'll get that done here soon. Alright, so phase one of the office is complete. We have some trim around the door, some photos over there. But then essentially I purchased some brackets, put up barnwood shelves to put a bunch of knickknacks on, things, you know, office stuff, things from prior offices. You can keep it clean, you can hang, however you want to decorate it. Currently I've got some starter plants and other stuff on the desk, but got the fish back there, some bookshelves, and then on this wall, instead of using some kind of wood, I used old license plates up there. So that's essentially two sides done of the office. The next big project, and I already have the hardware for it, is the Murphy bed. So we will show that in part 2 of our turning a bedroom into a home office. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, share, hit the notification button, like this video, and I will see you next time on the Green Workbench.